Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you can tell, I kind of made a mess here, but hey, you know why? It's because of the AMF. Yes, I know it goes by many names. Adios my friend, adios motherfucker, whatever you want to call it. At the end of the night, if you have 5 or more, trust me, maybe even 4, it will mess you up. It does contain a lot of booze, but regardless what you do, make sure you at least drink 3 of them. You do want to get knocked out at the end of the night. So if you want to stay tuned on how to make this and how I created this mess, just watch the video, guys. All right, without further ado, jump right in. All right, so first things first, we're gonna separate both our shakers, bam. And now we're gonna need an ounce of all these right here. So let's start off with the gin. First things first, a little bit of gin. As you can see, I really don't drink gin. There's a lot of dust in this, so that's that. 1 ounce of that, an ounce of white rum. You don't want dark rum in this, trust me, just white rum. Bam, an ounce of that. And then an ounce of blue curacao. Then an ounce of tequila. Follow up by an ounce of vodka. As you can see, guys, this is a very, very heavy liquor drink. Trust me, if you have like 4 or 5 of these, you're definitely gonna feel in your left toe if you're human. If you're not human, then you won't feel it. But if you're anything close to human or not a drunk, you'll definitely feel it if you drink at least 4 or 5 of these. Definitely feel it. You should. So I had an ounce of simple syrup, and then we're gonna cut open our lime. Make sure it's fresh. Let's cut this lime right open. All right, guys. I know I'm dumb, a little bit dumb. So it's not a lime, it's actually a lemon. I guess I'm freaking colorblind. That's what happens when you drink here and there, you know? So let's get an ounce about that. Oh, man. Half my juice just went the other way. So that's about an ounce right there. Bam. Fresh lime juice. Keep on saying lime juice. So fresh lemon juice. Now we're gonna shake it all up. Remember, guys, make sure you shake this up for about 10 or 15 seconds. Or until you get that condensation on the cup right there. Bam. Now you're gonna break it up. And then I just need my ice. I kind of want it in my cup. So let's try that again. Ice in my cup. And that's kind of what I needed. So I guess I have my cup of ice. But let's get rid of this now. So here we have it, guys. So there you go. Let's disappear. Get your strainer and just strain this right into here. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It's gonna want it up to right there. Whatever you have right there, you can put it into a shot, give it to someone else, one of your friends. Like, hey, you wanna get fucked up halfway, partially? Let's get some of that. La madre. So yeah, we just came back from fries and look what happened. Things are pretty shaken up already. So just top off this drink with a little bit of Sprite. Make it work out to your favor. As you can see, maybe not my day so much. So hey, be careful, guys. This is a pretty messy drink. So there you have the drink. What can make it better? Drinking it, actually. But we're not gonna do that just yet. We're actually gonna garnish it with a little bit of lemon wedge. Yeah. So there it is. After fucking working out with it a little bit, you get the lime wedge right there. And now all I need is a little straw. And there you have it. Look at that drink, you guys. Oh, so beautiful, so nice. It's a sexy drink right there. Not an electric lemonade, but an AMF. Thank God it's only my 3rd one. I'm still pretty normal, pretty sober. I'm still ready. So this is gonna be my 4th one actually now. So let me take a little sip. Oh, you guys, delicious. You really, really, really gotta sink into this drink, you guys. It's delicious. Everything you want. You can't really taste the liquor, even though it has so many ounces of liquor. You can't really taste it on this, you know? So again, you guys, you can get any type of liquor you want, but I would stay somewhere in the mid-range of prices. You don't want anything close to rubbing alcohol, obviously, but nothing too expensive because you are gonna mix everything up and you're really not gonna taste every liquor separately, you know? So this will actually taste good, mid-range prices. So hey, again, this is the AMF. I'm Alejandro. Let me know if you'd like to make any other drinks for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys later. Adios, my friends.